This is how we test 5G functions. A 5G function is considered ready for use when at least 100 tests are run and all tests pass. In this instance, we are testing the depreciate function. Testing requires an area for the 5G function's calculations, an area for calculating results by an alternative method, an area to determine if 5G and alternative calculation results are equivalent, a table to hold input values for our 5G function, along with rules on how to randomize them, a table to record input values for each scenario and if the test passed or failed. We automate this process with a VBA routine called iterate. Iterate starts by clearing the test results table. It then retrieves the number of iterations it must perform from a named range. For each iteration, it adds a row to the test results table. Iterate then applies the requested randomization for each argument in the inputs table. The 5G function uses the inputs table's values in its arguments. Iterate then forces a recalculation and stores all input values and test results in the test results table. Clicking this button starts our VBA routine. As we can see, depreciate has passed all tests and is ready for use by others. 5G. Quick, correct, easy.